did.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
He's humping the freaking lawn. What in the hell? He's trying to hump the... Yeah. Busted. Yeah, you better walk away.
What the fuck are you doing? I caught you red-handed again.